Hello to Six Sigma Mania. Let me start with a task for you. Look on this picture carefully, and count blue books in the library behind Reading Girl. Write your number down. You know what? Share it in the comments below. Well, I did this test with few friends. Peter and John said, there are 10 blue books. Tom counted 8, Sonia 6 of them. These are blue books counted by Peter and John. Sonia started arguing that there is large red line on the third book from the left. So, can't be counted to blue ones. And seventh book is also not blue, because there are white dots on it. Tom said that there are 2 books that are purple and not blue. How is this difference possible? Well, they had poor operational definition for this task. And the same can occur in the project measure phase. During defining list of measures to be collected. If the definition will be poor, it can easily happen that people will misinterpret our expectations. To collect reliable data, we need to make sure all involved understand requirements equally. Operational definition helps with guiding teams what needs to be measured, defining attributes to be measured, what, how, and who. Build measured consistency and reliability. That means that any person doing measurement will acquire the same results. First task is to define key measures called Key Performance Indicators, KPIs. KPI is measurable value how efficiently process is performing. There are 3 indicator types: output indicators, process indicators, and input indicators. Indicators order is referring to SIPOC tool. There is a good reason to start with output indicators as a first. We must know how our process is performing to the customer requirements. So, if we know what customer wants, we can measure ourselves how this need is fulfilled. To understand this, use Critical Customer Requirement Method (CCR). Typical output indicators are quality, price, on-time delivery, service type, and so on. Process indicators tell us how efficient process is in converting inputs to customer required outputs. It must show performance in key process steps, indicating achievement of required results. To set process indicators, ask these questions. Is it a good predictor of required output? Which output we are predicting by this indicator? Is enabling corrective action? Will team know what is the root cause if problem occurs? Input indicators should be mainly focused on quality, accuracy, and timing of inputs entering addressed process. These indicators should control inputs to run process smoothly. To set input indicators, ask these questions. What to monitor? To have information about previous processes influencing our process. Is created indicator aligned to customer needs? Is it a prediction of process indicator? Is enabling corrective action? Will team know what is the root cause if problem occurs? Do not forget, key process indicators created in measure phase will be fundamental for defining list of measures during project progress, during takeover to process owner, and during process performance after project closeout. Take a look under the video, where you find a link to my blog, where you can download SIPOC template for free. Use it, share it. If you find this video helpful, give us a like. We'll be more than happy to have you in our online community, so hit the subscribe button and join Sigma Maniacs. Do not hesitate to post your comments, questions, or themes you are interested in to see on this channel. Have a great days.